wait, don't, we might need to return it back, beta. Wait a minute. Yeah, wait. Tashify YouTube channel. Those who don't know about my channel is about for those who are new in Sweden or who are planning to move to Sweden. Here I'm gonna show you some example when I buy shoes in Sweden online. This is a website. I'm not doing a marketing and this is not a sponsored video. This website. Ushna, come here. Come on this side. Come here. Okay, so I want to show you when you receive the order online here. Normally they also give you a return slip, so if you don't like that you can return it. So always open the box carefully, because you can use the same box to return the parcel if you decide. So we're gonna open it from here. So let's see. Okay, Ushna will open it. No, do. Very good. Oh my god, very good. Wow.
Open.
Yeah. So we're gonna take out the shoes. Wait. We do like this. With up. So this is the one I want to show that it is. Wait. This is the one I want to show that how you can return. This is your return slip. You use this to return, and you use this sticker. So for example, if you don't like these shoes, you can put that back and put that sticker on it and leave it on the service point where you pick it up. It's like from Italy, Italian made. The shoes look like, wait Ushna, we're gonna show this one first. So the shoes looks like this. So really nice. Let me wear it very fast. I might have to return it back. So yeah, it's very big. It's almost one size big. Ushna is also trying. So how does it open? This is really nice. Very good quality from Bugatti. Hopefully it will be right size for me, because I was selecting my size which I normally buy. But in this one, it was quite big. I don't know why. Yeah, that's nice. So this is how it looks. And I can tell you what's the price of the Bugatti one. The Bugatti was 638 crown. 638 crown. And this one was 453 crown. So they was not so expensive. And the shipping was free. So I didn't pay anything. I paid in total 1097 crown. And this one is really nice. You see that? And you can of course go on the website and see high definition. So this is another way of marketing. They are like giving you the rebate code, like discount codes. If you buy this amount, you get this much discount, and they want you to buy the last of this month, so you don't have much time. But it's a good way of marketing and bringing customers back. Really nice. And this is the whole process of so when they send the goods, they are telling you that if you don't want to have them for any reason, you can return it or you can exchange it. And this is how the professional companies are working here. They're sending you the return slip like that, return the postal, and they are giving you the whole procedure, explaining how you should return. And they are actually also, they want you to go back and buy more and more products from them. So yeah, good tips for any e-commerce business if you are doing here or anywhere. I think this is good, very good customer service. But it's sad, I really like that shoe, but it's bigger. I don't know why. It's quite big. I need a smaller size on that shoe. But the same size I have on this shoe, and that is very nice. Good shoe.
Are you going to win?
Yeah, Ushna, can you say bye bye?
Bye.